This tutorial review will show you how to save or how to download video from Telegram in iPhone. When you receive a video file with the supported format on the iPhone, you will see a video thumbnail in the Telegram conversation. Now follow the steps to download and watch it on the iPhone. Open the Telegram app and move to the conversation. To download the video, tap on it. It's a supported format on the iPhone, so you will see a video thumbnail as well as a video preview playing. Now tap on the video and select the forward button at the bottom left corner. You can either forward to other contacts on Telegram or select Save Video to download the video on the iPhone. Now open the Photos app and you will see the saved video from the Telegram app here. Open the video and continue enjoying the media downloaded from the Telegram app. And this is how we can save or download video from Telegram in iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.